Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat moringa powder, only way. Blend 1 teaspoon into smoothies or 8 Oz water and stir well to avoid clumps. Use a dry spoon and keep a consistent routine of once per day at first. Pair with citrus or banana to improve flavor and aid absorption. Track how you feel and adjust portion sizes slowly for best results. Moringa tastes vegetal, so pair it strategically to make it pleasant and effective. Add 1 teaspoon to smoothies with banana or mango, or stir into yogurt or oatmeal for a creamy boost. Avoid boiling or hot soups right after adding powder to protect sensitive nutrients. Use acidic fruits like lemon to brighten flavor and improve mineral absorption. Keep portions modest and consistent for dependable benefits. Start conservatively with 1 teaspoon each day and monitor your body for any digestive changes or reactions. If well tolerated, you can consider increasing to 1 tablespoon, but avoid excessive use. People who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications should consult their clinician first. Stop use if you notice adverse effects and seek medical advice. Quality matters, so choose reputable suppliers and read labels carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.